Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to factorize quadratic expressions. So I wanted to first to distinguish between a linear expression and a quadratic expression. So a linear expression is in the form of ax plus b, and a quadratic expression is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is a number that is not equal to 0. So when we factorize a quadratic expression, we get two linear expressions that are multiplying each other, right? So I've got an example here which is factorize x squared minus 3x minus 10. So x squared minus 3x minus 10. This is the easiest way I've learned how to do this. So first you have to multiply x squared and minus 10x and minus 10, and we get minus 10x squared. Then we look for two numbers, which when we multiply them, we get minus 10x squared, but when we add them, we get minus 3x. So what are these numbers? These are 2x and minus 5x, right? So if say 2x times minus 5x, we get minus 10x squared, and if we add this, we get minus 3x. So we write x squared plus 2x minus 5x minus 10. So what have we done here? We have replaced the minus 3x with these two numbers, right? So then now we factorize this and this. What are the factors? X into x squared is x into plus 2x is plus 2. And what is the factor here? It's minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 5x, we get x. Minus 5 into minus 10, we get plus 2, right? So we get x plus 2 times x minus 5, right? So this will be our answer. So we've factorized a quadratic expression into two linear expressions, right? Let's go to the next example, which says factorize x squared minus 5x plus 6. So we write x squared minus 5x plus 6. And you multiply x squared and 6. What do we get? We get 6x squared. And we look for two numbers, which when we multiply them, we get 6x squared. But when we add them, we get negative 5x. So what are those numbers? Those numbers are what? Minus 3x and minus 2x. So what do we do now? We replace minus 5x with minus 3x and minus 2x. So x squared minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. What is the factor here? It's x. X into x squared is x. X into negative 3x is negative 3. What's the factor here? It's negative 2. Negative 2 into negative 2x is x. Negative 2 into 6, negative 3. Right? So you get negative x minus 3, x minus 2. So you see, we factorize x squared minus 5x plus 6 into x minus 3 times x minus 2. Let's go to the next one, which says factorize 9 minus 4x squared. This one is a difference of two squares, but I want to show you every step that you do to get the answer. So it's 9 minus 4x squared. I want to show you in the way we're doing before. So it's the same as 9 plus 0x minus 4x squared. Right? So we look for two numbers. We multiply 9 times minus 4x. What we get? We get negative 36x squared, right? And we look for two numbers. Yes, negative. We look for two numbers which when we multiply them get negative 36x squared, but when we add them we get 0. So what are those numbers? These are negative 6x and positive 6x. So we replace this one where there is 0x. And what we get? 9 minus 6x plus 6x minus 4x squared, right? So what's the factor between 9 and minus 6? So it's the factor is 3. 3 into 9x, is it 3 into 9? Is 3. 3 into negative 6x is negative 2x, right? Common factor here is positive 2. Positive 2 into 6x. Common factor is 2x. Positive 2x into 6x is 3. 2x into minus 4x squared, what do we get? Negative 2x. So 3 minus 2x by 3 plus 2x, right? So you see, so this is how we have arrived from 9 minus 4x squared to 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. So if we leave you these practice questions, you can do this on your own. So see you in the next video. Cheers.